As protesters both supporting and opposing abortion rights gathered outside the U.S. Supreme Court, inside the justices heard arguments in a case called June Medical Services versus Russo, a challenge filed by a clinic in Louisiana against a state law requiring that abortion doctors have admitting privileges at a local hospital. If the court upholds the law, 2 of the 3 abortion clinics left in the state could close. Kathleen Pittman is the director of the clinic at the center of the case.
This case is about women across the country being able to access abortion in a real way, not just in theory. We all know a right you cannot access is no right at all.
The Louisiana law is similar to one in Texas, struck down by the court in 2016. But since then, President Trump has appointed 2 new justices, Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh, both strongly supported by anti-abortion groups. Abortion rights supporters fear a decision in favor of the Louisiana law would be another step toward the overturning of the court's 1973 Roe v. Wade landmark decision, guaranteeing a woman's right to an abortion. Court observers say with the 4 liberal justices likely to rule against the Louisiana law, Chief Justice John Roberts could cast the deciding vote.
It's really hard to imagine that the court won't erode American abortion rights in some way, given its current composition. Even Roberts seems unlikely to kind of preserve the status quo when it comes to abortion rights.
During oral arguments, the justices gave few clues on how they might rule. Gorsuch remained silent, but Kavanaugh pressed attorneys from both sides on whether the court was bound by its previous decision to strike down the Texas law. A ruling is expected sometime this summer.